Are you sick and tired of buying jeans that fit your butt but not your waist? Then I gotcha. Keep on watching. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to go from this to that. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, let's take off the label and pick it carefully using any of the tools. Like so. It is important to unpick it because we are going to be using an elastic. So right here, I'm unpicking the side seam of the waistband, creating an opening for the elastic to go through. Okay, so take off a little bit just like I did. You don't need to unpick all the way to the other side, just half. As I am stretching it, I remember that there is already an elastic in these jeans. However, let's pretend he hasn't got any. Your jeans might not have one, so well, with help of a safety pin, I'm inserting an elastic inside, all the way in, until you reach the other side seam on the waist, okay? So I'm stopping at the side. There is stretch at the back only. If you're on the front to be stretchy as well, you might go all the way around, okay? So I have reached where I want it to be, so now I'm going to open a tiny bit, just enough for the elastic to come out. Then I'm securing the elastic into position with a safety pin, so it doesn't move, like so. Okay guys, are you following? I hope so. So right now I'm just gonna pull the excess elastic, okay? And that's how the back would look like, but don't cut it just yet. In order to stop the elastic from moving, I'm adding a pin so all the hard work doesn't come undone. Wear the jeans first and see if you are satisfied with the amount of stretchiness that you have. And well, I was. So what I did was to add 2 more safety pins in order to stop the elastic in place. Then I must close the small opening, okay? And now I'm going to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch line catching the elastic and waistband. And I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing at the other side, but it will be slightly different. And now I'm gonna go to the sewing machine for the second time and sew another straight line catching the elastic and the waistband. I'm so sorry the angle isn't the best and I didn't realize that until I started editing, but there isn't much I can do. But these are very simple steps anyways. A straight line, you understand a straight line, don't you? Well guys, that's what I did. Try to use a matching thread if you can for better results. And I did the same on the other side as well, but away from the stitch, so I can cover my stitch line like so. However, in order to close it, I decided to hand stitch it. You can sew it on top literally if you want. Now, the final step. I'm going to hand sew using an invisible stitch technique. Okay, and then we're going to be done very soon. Here I'm preparing the needle and thread. I'm using white because it is the closest I have to this fabric. If you want to know how to make the invisible stitch technique, comment down below and I will dedicate a video just for that. And this is the final product. Look at that, now it fits perfectly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and do not miss a single upload. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.